Hello, YouTube. Ever wonder how your favorite streamer got their webcam to look like this? Or maybe this? Well, wonder no more, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and it's completely free. Don't believe me? Let me show you. So today we're going to be using Canva. Canva is completely free. It's a website. You can go to, you can Google it, go to canva.com, or you can download the app. It's available on Mac, PC, as well as the cell phone, as your cell phone. So if you want to download it on your phone, I am not sponsored, by the way. I have no affiliation to Canva whatsoever. That being said, I just enjoy the product, genuinely enjoy it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to canva.com and it's going to pull up a page like this. You can create a free account. There is a paid subscription available if you want to get access to a bunch of extra stuff, but you don't have to. For the sake of this video, I'm actually just going to show you exactly how to do it completely free. Once you're on the website, you're going to go to create a design and you're going to type in overlay. That's the easiest way to do it. And then Twitch webcam overlay is the one that we're going to use for today because it's the exact size that we need. Once you click on it, it's going to pull up a page like this. On the left hand side, you're going to see a bunch of different templates that are available to use. They're pre-made ones. So if you don't, if you're not very creative or you don't want to do your own, you're more than welcome to use one of these, as long as it does not have one of these crowns on it. The crown means that it's a part of their paid membership, and you won't have access to it unless you pay, I think it's like $14 a month or something like that, 14 US dollars a month. But if you don't want to do that, then there's some free ones here, or you can make your own like I do. So in order to make your own, first thing you're going to want to do is click on the background and we're going to change it to black. Black conceals, white reveals. All right, so our canvas is going to be black. Our base canvas is going to be black. Then you swing right over here on the left hand side, you go to elements, and you're going to type in, it's already here, but you're going to type in circle. Type in circle, and we need a white circle. So it'll pop up, should pop up first thing here. It'll show up in the middle of your screen. So now we have our white circle. Obviously we want it to be bigger because my little head still isn't going to fit in there. Once you grab it and start to scroll sideways, then you'll see these little lines. Once they cross, they intersect, you could tell it's directly in the center of the screen. So that's a quick, easy tip. All right, and then boom, that's it. There's also other shapes that you can use. So if you're not looking for a circle overlay, you're looking for more of that rectangular or that rounded edge overlay, then I can show you how to do that real quick as well. So I'm gonna add a new page, click on add new page. My base canvas again is black. You're gonna go to elements, and then you can actually go right here to shapes or just type in shapes. And I'm going to click on see all so that I can see all the shapes that are available to me in Canva. And again, it looks like all of these are free. I don't see pro in any of them. So you can actually pick any of these shapes, whatever you're feeling, whatever shape you're feeling. You got the pointy edges here. You got the diamond shape. You got the heart, if you like that. The rounded top is also a really nice one. And then of course the rounded edges, which is the square / rectangle. So I'm going to use that one for now. We're going to enlarge it. And then I'm going to change this to white because again, white reveals, black conceals, white reveals. All right, and then I'm actually gonna give this a name, so I'm gonna call this one rectangle. You can title your pages if it makes it easier, because they will download. Once I show you how to download it, it'll show up as two separate downloads. And we're gonna label this one circle overlay. So page 1 is circle, page 2 is rectangle. All right, so I have my shapes. What I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna go to share button right here. And right down here it says download, and all of these settings should be fine. Usually you don't have to change it. These actually require the paid membership, so I wouldn't, since we're doing the free, then you're not going to be able to do a transparent background or anything like that. And it shows up as PNG, but you have the option to download it as anything else, but we only need a PNG right now. You're going to click download, and it should not take very long, as you can see. So this little box pops up, asking me where I want it to download to. I'm going to put it on my desktop for easy finding. This is the zip file, so downloaded to cam overlay zip file. So I'm going to double click on that. Going to click extract all, and it's going to go to my desktop. Boom. So I can close those out. I can actually get rid of this because I no longer need it. Pops up as cam overlay, double click on it. I have exactly what I need. Okay, all right, so now I'm done with Canva. I'm gonna swing over to OBS and show you how to do it in OBS. Whatever streaming software you use, it's basically the same concept. I personally use Prism Live Studio, but I use OBS sometimes. Streamlabs, it's all basically the same process. So as you see, I have a blank canvas here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my webcam. So I'm going to click on video capture device, going to name it cam, and I'm going to choose my webcam, which I use Prism Lens, and boom, I'm back. While I'm here, I'm going to go to filters. We're going to go under effects. We're going to click the plus tab, and we're going to add an image mask. I'm going to name this one circle, if I can spell. Circle overlay, to keep everything consistent. And then you don't have to touch this because it's going to do all the work for you. You don't have to touch any of this at the moment. You're going to go to browse. I'm going to go to my desktop because I know that's where it is. And we're going to go to cam overlay, open, circle overlay. And as you can see right here from the background, all of this has been cut out. So all the black part has been cut out, and the white part, the white circle, is actually me now. So I am right there, as you can see. I'm going to do the same thing for the rectangle overlay. So you're going to go to the plus sign. We're going to add image mask, and we're going to name this one rectangle overlay. And again, don't have to touch any of these settings. You're going to go to browse. I'm already in my folder, but if you needed to, like I said, I saved it on the desktop. So I would go to desktop, go to cam overlay, and then I would go and pick the overlay that I chose. And boom. So as you can see, I now have a rectangular webcam overlay. You can use any shape that you choose to, whatever you want to do to spice up your stream. And if I wanted to change that, so I'm not really feeling the rectangular one, I don't really like that particular shape, I'm going to click on my webcam, and I'm going to go back to my filters, and I'm going to do the circle one because I actually like the circle one. And boom. Now I have my circle overlay. And that's it. That's your tutorial on how to spice up your webcam overlay and personalize it. Make it more you and less edgy and robotic. That being said, I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed today's content. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That lets me know that you want more of this content and that you actually liked it. My name is Aries. Till next time, deuces.